Hey guys, it's Watson Kid here. We are doing a horror story.
Hello.
Come on, Chica.
What happened to the TV?
I don't know. I'm going to check the electricity box.
This game's haunting.
Walk downstairs. Let's see here. The cell. That cell do. Dude, I saw something down there.
Wait.
What? Dude, I saw something down there. Come on, read it now. Your turn.
I'm sure. It was nothing.
I'm leaving. Dead. Now let's go back.
Oh God, no! I'm running back.
Am I moving?
I'm lagging.
I'm not lagging. I'm just walking to me. I'm just it.
No, that creeped me out.
Slenderman.
Are you still recording?
Yes.
Okay, cool.
Slenderman.
Can we do Bloody Mary next?
Okay, Bloody Mary.
Go one by one. What happened?
You need to talk. I'll be the blonde hair girl. You be the I'll be the brown hair. Today
The black hair.
I'll be the black hair. Today I was a great day. I'm going to brush my teeth. What the Please note, I dare you to do the Bloody Melon challenge. If you die, unknown. But buddy, better do it than Bloody Mary. Bloody Mary. Bloody Mary.
Okay, I'm not going to do it.
No one survives.
Did anyone survive?
No one.
No, did
Yeah.
There's only one part. Wait, can they hear me?
Yeah, I think.
Okay, that was pretty low. Okay, which one's
Let's go into Jeff the Killer. On my hill.
Oh, I have never watched it.
It's creepy.
Okay, I'll be gold and you be dead and I be the kid.
No, I'll be that kid. This kid. And the parent. Hey, want help
I'll be the baby.
me with dinner, John? No thanks, Dad. I think I'm going outside.
Okay, honey, be safe. And stay with Cheesy.
Wah wah. Come back. I'm in the ground. I'm in the ground.
You just listen, okay?
No, I cannot move.
We said to come.
Thanks. Hey, Cherry, let's go. Dun, da, da, da.
Come on.
Let's see what's behind this bus.
Okay.
Cherry, it's getting late. I think it's time to go home. Let me go. Hits grave ground. To continue. Me?
No, not you. No showing your real name.
Oh. I can cut that out.
I thought it was Nana for a second.
I'm in the ground. I think Jeff the Kill bells me.
I think I can't get past the store.
I think I cannot get up from the ground.
Oh, I remember now.
I'm getting up on the ground.
Oh, I see.
Dead.
See you there. Okay.
Let's do
Next one is
Annabelle. Annabelle.
Okay, I'll be girl.
Happy.
Okay, darling, stay here. I'm going to get something. I'm going to get some yogurt. Darling, follow you here.
Don't go to the end. Don't go to the end. Oh, you already did. Abigail, you're stuck. Don't buy anything from the shop. It's hacked. I need to stop sitting. Let's do it now. Abigail, you're so right there. You're so slow. I can beat you there. This way.
Are we going to the end, literally?
Yes.
How many minutes has the video been?
I just teleported.
How many minutes has the video been?
7:22.
7 minutes.
Come on, Abby.
Oh, just cut out the name.
Sorry.
Yeah, that's so simple. Oh, I know this one. Okay, I'm going to go.
Abby the boy. Yeah.
Let me do.
No, let me do it first. No, you go first.
I had fun tonight.
Yeah, me too. I'm grabbing like you, like I'm grabbing you like my friend. Him.
Glad, like my friend.
I'm glad you like him, my friend. Him, little bit hard to get alone with. Jack, what?
Jack?
What?
Okay,
You fall down here. You fall down here too. You fall down here too. You fall down here too. One.
I'm going one.
With his back. I don't know. No, you need to do it first. You need to do it first.
What do we do?
With his back. I don't know. Don't come to the end. Now we do Slendy Man. Let's do Slendy Man now. Yes. I am the girl.
I am the boy now.
No, Abigail, come to the come to to Slender. Let me sit in her, like natural people do.
Just read it.
I can't. I cannot get out. It's killing me. Oh yeah, I like this song.
I love this.
I love this song. What the? One Slenderman have something to say. Don't look back. Yubi, what? Wow, what do him do?
Oh, shoot.
Come here, come on. I read the note, you read the person.
Where did he go?
What if him said at your every time you look back? Bedtime! And come look, Abby. It's blood on her face. I'm going to end it off here.
See ya, guys.
See ya, guys.